Ito po yung puwersa ng ating mga diver kung saan po sila po yung lumusong sa dagat. Kung hindi po tayo kakamali, yan po yung body bag kung saan nakalagay po ang labi ng pilotong Nepali. At ngayon nga pong umaga ay na-recover na ito. Kaya po sa tatlong hinahanap na kasamahan po ni DILG Secretary Jesse Robredo ay kumpleto na po. Kung tutuusin, una pong nakuha si Secretary Robredo, sumunod po kahapon ang piloto, ang captain na si Bahinting, at ngayong umaga po ay nakuha na nga po itong co-pilot. Ayan po ay nilalagay na, may nakalagay po na DOH, yung sa body bag na itim, kung saan po ay nakalagay po ang labi ng co-pilot. Balikan po natin si Secretary Gasmin sa kanyang pulong balitaan.
Los Santos. The body was found near the site where the fuselage was recovered yesterday. The boat captain immediately tied the body to his boat and reported to the Navy boat, which is the PG-378, skippered by Commander Padre Garda. The body was positively identified by the father and his brother to be that of the co-pilot, Mr. Kshitiz Chand. With this development, we shall now conclude the SAR operations. We condole with the families of Secretary Robredo, Mr. Jesup Pahinting, Mr. Kshitiz Chand. May they find all the strength in this time of their bereavement. At this time, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Governor Diane Llanete, Congressman Scott Llanete, and the local governments for the hospitality, cooperation, the logistics which they provided during the operation. We would like to thank also our foreign and local divers. The Koreans are still here. The U.S. Navy for the technical assistance, our AFP and Coast Guard divers for their dedication and commitment. We would like to thank also the local populace for the cooperation, the media for their efficiency, the local fishing vessels which provided the sonar and the lift equipment. As we conclude our SAR operations of the task force under General Del Rosario, the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines will now take over. Maybe we would like to hear some words from Governor Llanete.
On behalf of the provincial government, our deepest condolences to the family of Secretary Robredo, Captain Bahinting, and Kshitiz Chand. And at this point, I would like also to acknowledge all agencies, the unsung heroes and nameless faces who have volunteered to extend help, the fishermen, the local divers trained by PDRRM, everyone who have proven that the bayanihan spirit is still here. Sa inyo pong lahat na tumulong sa amin, maraming salamat din po.